Hello and welcome to the e-conference on iLottery, organized by our friends at LaFleur's. It seems incredibly fitting to talk about iLottery and digital using digital technologies. Today I'm going to share a brief view into how we at Camelot see iLottery transforming the player experience and driving growth in total lottery sales, and also how digital optimizes marketing for lotteries to engage and reach players. I want to start with a look at where growth has come from in the U.S. over the last 30 years and where we believe growth will come as we look to the future. In the beginning, a period we call Lottery 1.0, growth came from many U.S. lotteries just simply starting up, adding retailers, getting technology into the field, and putting games into stores for players to play. This was a really exciting time in U.S. lottery history. Player engagement was through increased access, convenience, and marketing to players was primarily at that time one-to-many. Following this initial phase, the lottery industry started to mature, a period we view as Lottery 2.0, roughly from 2000 for about the next 15 years. Growth in this period came from optimizing the products at retail, introducing more games, ranges of price points, payouts, and game brands. Player engagement became richer based on better insights, and player marketing shifted from one-to-many to one-to-segments. Which brings us to where we are today. We're now entering what we call Lottery 3.0, which is the digital period of player engagement, growth, and marketing. As more U.S. lotteries come online and launch iLottery, new games are delivered through this digital channel, and the most successful lotteries are using that digital channel to reach more players, promote retail games, and drive engagement with the draw game category. While certainly growth will continue to come from optimizing at retail, adding technologies, and from game launches, based on our iLottery channel experience here in Illinois, the UK, Ireland, and also Switzerland, digital helps enable and power growth. With a digital channel in place, a one-to-one connection with players is possible. Personalization of the brand experience happens, and digital really changes the game. With 11 million registered players worldwide and iLottery channel sales of $2.4 billion last year, Camelot's iLottery platform powers some of the most innovative and fastest growing lotteries all around the world. Here's a quick look at how digital is driving sustainable lottery growth with an engaging player experience.
Drive sustainable lottery growth with Camelot's digital lottery and data platforms. With an engaging customer experience, players can easily register, add funds, and play lottery games online. Play on the go from any device. Go from a push notification about an upcoming draw through to purchasing a ticket in minutes, and provide relevant content for your players, whether informing them about a win or renewing a subscription. Communicate in a way that speaks to them and make them feel connected to the lottery brand. Built with security and privacy in mind, our digital lottery and data platforms are purpose-built for the lottery industry to provide an engaging player experience through all touch points, making it easier to acquire new players and develop them into loyal customers. With a fully integrated data solution, analyze and segment players to create distinct profiles across retail and digital, to create a repeatable, engaging experience for each player and build brand connection.
Digital engagement is more than just a way of selling games online. It's the future of lottery. It's a strategy to connect players with the brand at retail and also online using digital technologies and channels. Digital engagement can transform lottery performance by making personal, relevant connections with players to drive lottery growth across all channels, retail and digital. Not only can players play online, they can also see when new games are available at retail and have engaging cross-promotional experiences right in the store. Having an iLottery platform is not enough, however. It's kind of like having a smartphone without any apps. What's most important is how the iLottery and data platforms are marketed to drive growth through player engagement, great web and mobile design, and effective use of data to drive insights, and through digitally enabled marketing campaigns. With over 400 dedicated lottery employees worldwide, Camelot views lottery as a service, and our experience has shown that marketing the full service offering will deliver the most value to players, stakeholders, and to the communities that lotteries serve. In the era of Lottery 3.0, future lottery growth will come from understanding the player. With an integrated iLottery and data platform, lotteries can connect essential data points and unlock insights to drive business decisions. With access to data and digital combined, lotteries also can now start to personalize communications, the design, and the features offered to individual players based on the player's preferences in a one-to-one, highly personalized relationship with the lottery brand. Responsible gaming fully evolves with an iLottery channel, and expanded controls are available to a lottery to ensure the highest degree of responsible gaming, player privacy, and digital ethics. For our iLottery customers, we help transform the player experience responsibly, generate sales, drive net income growth, and improve business efficiencies through insights and data-led decisions. Here in Illinois, an example of digital engagement is the account registration process we've carefully tested and designed for the lottery. It's been optimized for ease of use, best experience, and to achieve the highest rates of opt-in and completion. All of the information to set up a player account is in a single experience. Name, birthday, address, and email are all that's needed to sign up. The player then verifies their email address, while their age and location are verified on the back end. When the player logs back in, they're going to be prompted to add a credit or a debit card and deposit funds. After that, they're ready to play. If they opt to not add a payment method, they are still in the one-to-one digitized player experience for lottery brand marketing. Play pages have also been redesigned in Illinois to mimic the look and feel of retail play slips, and all player experiences with the interface went through rigorous testing by local players right here in Illinois. Since launch in February this year, which was the first iLottery conversion ever undertaken in the U.S., the Illinois Lottery app has been downloaded more than 80,000 times and scans around 10,000 tickets every day. The lottery continues to test and tweak the site based on player behavior and feedback to increase the number of registered players and overall satisfaction. Our goal here in Illinois is to have more than 1 million players registered in the next 1 to 2 years and to achieve an initial benchmark of 10% of total sales. Thanks again to LaFleur's for organizing this discussion today on iLottery. In summary, we see digital as an opportunity to transform lottery and ultimately the player experience with the brand through personalized marketing, data insights, and digital technologies. We're in Lottery 3.0 now, and growth is fueled through a one-to-one player connection.